Hi, I'm Matt McCoy. Say you're driving along when suddenly the car in front of you kicks up a rock. It flies straight into your windshield, causing a giant crack or worse. Your insurance company will cover repair or replacement, right? Well, the answer depends on a few factors. First, you'll need to know if you carry comprehensive coverage. This is coverage that pays for damage to your car caused by events other than an accident. For example, vandalism, hail, or that rock hitting your windshield. In most cases, glass coverage is part of your comprehensive coverage. You'll also want to understand the difference between glass coverage and full glass coverage and know which one you have. Your coverage type determines if you have to pay a deductible. When you file a claim through the Hartford's glass program, you will be referred to a qualified glass repair shop who can determine whether you need a repair or replacement. And many shops have a mobile glass service that comes right to you. If your damaged windshield is repaired rather than replaced, the Hartford will even waive your deductible. Contact the Hartford to help you determine what type of glass coverage is right for you.